Save time and space with the Magimix food processor. It truly is the most versatile and invaluable addition to any kitchen. From starters to dessert, Magimix makes life simpler in the kitchen. The powerful and efficient ultra-quiet induction motor is guaranteed for 30 years. All it takes is one button and the Magimix motor automatically adjusts the power depending on what's in the bowl. Magimix food processors come with 3 bowls, the Mini, Midi and Main. The Mini bowl is ideal for chopping, mixing and combining small quantities, from a delicious pesto sauce to the perfect 1-egg mayonnaise dip. The Midi bowl is perfect for slicing and grating all your fruit and vegetables. The extra-large feed tube allows slicing both length and widthways for creating perfectly uniform slices with ease. There's no limit to what you can do. Let your Magimix be your sous chef and process your ingredients in a fraction of the time. The Main bowl is for chopping, mixing and combining large quantities. The stainless steel Sabatier main blade crushes ice and chops the finest and toughest of ingredients. Together with the patented blender mix ring, you can blend the finest soups and sauces, airiest pancake batters and smoothest smoothies. Knead pasta, pastry, brioche and bread dough all in a matter of minutes with the dough blade. Homemade deliciously golden pizza bases and moorishly flavoursome pie crusts are at your fingertips at the touch of a button, giving you unbeatable results every time. And finally, with the egg whisk, you can create the fluffiest egg whites, puffiest soufflés and showstopper pavlovas with ease. Built better to last longer, its bowls are truly shatterproof. All parts and accessories are made in France and they're dishwasher safe. From starters to dessert, a Magimix food processor makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate about making good food.